I really enjoyed the cardiology aspect of the review. I feel like that's something that we don't get a lot of training on and a lot of focus on in NP school. So it was really good to kind of go through those topics and delve a little bit deeper into some of like the patho and arrhythmias that can present in an ER setting.
This course is very professional and well organized.
The instructors are awesome. They do such a good job. It was very entertaining. It was a very fun class.
I feel like they're very hands-on and kind of walking around and make sure you understand what you're doing and make sure you're doing it right and comfortable with suture technique and comfortable with the grip.
You know what I love the most about the Practice Essential is the one-on-one training that you get in the skills labs and be able to do those skill sets that you probably didn't get to do when you were in school or got in clinical rotations. So the hands-on suturing, joint aspirations, chest tube insertion, uterine device, and others, just mind-blowing.
Hands-on definitely makes you feel like it sticks in your mind more, and it makes you feel a lot more confident than just watching it.
I feel like it's a very safe class. Everybody has their mask on, there's hand sanitizer at the door.
They provide you with knowledge, but also hands-on learning.
We felt very comfortable, which is to me critical.
This is the most comprehensive skills workshop that I have personally been to, and I've actually done several. I feel like they cover a wide range of topics that are useful in not only an urgent care setting, but an emergency setting, which is really what I was looking for when I picked this particular workshop. It was beyond the usual just, 6-hour day of suturing nonstop. There was actually a big lecture component, why each suture is the way that it should be and what exactly you're using that for, it just felt more comprehensive.
We learned in a very systematic way. There was no rush.
The online content was awesome because it was really just a concise review that you could reference really quickly. I was able to kind of sift through the material, and if I was looking for something, I was able to find it relatively quickly without having to dig through 4 textbooks to find one concise answer. This is Brugada syndrome, and this is what it is, and this is what you're looking for, versus, digging through multiple resources and not being able to find the clinical aspect of what I needed for that diagnosis. This is the most comprehensive skills workshop that I have personally been to.
Just have to say the Provider Practice Essential program will make you and give you that knowledge, that comfort in knowing that you're a safe provider.
Take this course because the instructors are awesome. They really care about you learning information that is helpful for you in practice. They tell you lots of good little hints for actually in practice.
This class actually broadened my mind, broadened my scope on how I should practice moving forward and how I should master the art of medicine.
It was great.
If you're a new FNP student or you're a new PA student, I think the class is critical so you can have a more in-depth understanding of the most common things you're going to see in clinic in your first year.
I really would recommend Practice Essential for anyone without a doubt.